show you how to make some cool cards for your dad because Father's Day is coming up to the corner. Hope you enjoy.
Yeah. You start by folding your papers in half.
Make sure to do it perfectly. Do the corners. So it's this thick, all corners. Like all of them. Now for the corner. And now I'm gonna need glue for mine. I put electric tape so it can stick on my card, not too much. So I'm gonna stick it on. I'm spelling the letter Dad. I'm gonna retake it off so it's good. Now I'm gonna stick it onto the paper. Here's the letter Dad, and I'm gonna stick the A. Now let's paint all the cards you want all around. And here I paint. We want the white spots to be completely all covered so it doesn't see no white spots. This is red because that is my superhero time. And also, I'm making a technique of different colors from here. Look at my technique. Now that it's finished, I'm gonna let it dry. And I'm also gonna put my paintbrush since it's a little here. And then when it's dry the paintbrush, I'm gonna put it here and use your paint. Okay, now I'm gonna make it up. I reeled this one. Now I'll reel two more of them. This one. And now this one. Okay. Dad. Now this is the front of my card. This is the back of my card. Here. And now you can write whatever message you want. Bye! I fold my paper in half. And then I put my hand here. And now I'm going to trace the pencil off my hands. Now I need a cut. Here's my hand when I cut it out. And also I wanted to tell you, if you know what superhero I'm doing, leave a comment down below. I would really like to see your guesses. And look at this. It can open. Now it's like a spider. Itsy bitsy spider, go up the spider web. This is gonna be the front of my card. And this is gonna be the inside of my card. Now you add black details to look like Spider-Man if you guessed it. Good job to all of the commenters that have guessed Spider-Man. Right now I just need one more to go. Actually, 3 more. I can see those 2 fellows. Now we're gonna add the eyes. Now since I've done the eyes, I'm gonna trace it in black. I did it. Now I'm gonna cut them out and then I'm gonna glue them on my spider hands that I showed you how to make like the webs and the hands. Now since I cut them out, I'm gonna glue the eyes. And now since I glued it, I'm pushing it to make it look really glued. And now I'm gonna open the spider hand and you can write whatever message you want to your daddy. Bye, hope you enjoy.